All right, there's a little action reel and shop noise for people that like that kind of thing. A lot of times people are like, oh, I don't like the music, or I don't like this or that, or people will just click on here and they'll start to see me talking like, who in the fuck is this? I'm getting out of here. And they'll never really give it a chance to see what goes on in these videos. But nonetheless, I'm back at my pinball stuff. I've been away for a couple months doing some home renovations. I do this for a living, so it's not like, oh, I haven't been doing anything pinball related, but I've been doing the absolute bare minimum while I participate in this home renovation that I had going on. And when I say participate, I mean I'm single-handedly doing this shit. I tore my old deck off. I built a new deck and that went good, and I was like, okay, I'm done. And then I got to look and I was like, oh, the screened-in porch looks like shit right up against that nice new deck. So I think I'll rescreen the porch, and that turned into something entirely more involved than just rescreening. And I wound up replacing all the beams that hold the roof up, refinishing the floor, all new railing system, putting rocks under there, new footers under. I mean, I couldn't even tell you. Only thing I can tell you is I worked on it every single day for 2 months, and it was tough work, but I got it done. It looks great, and I'm a happy man. I can focus on my pinball stuff. Now, I will say this, not to make it about that, but just quickly, somebody would probably charge me like $50,000 or $60,000 to do that. So if I take 2 months off here, I don't make $50,000 or $60,000 in 2 months here, so I still came out ahead. But I'm back to work and everything's good. We're setting the stage for some different things. I hear that I'm gonna get my Freedom playfields back now. I sent one off to have it rescreened, and then I had them make me a fresh one on top of that. So we'll see what that looks like. I'm excited about that. Just finished up the Twilight Zone and Indiana Jones. I threw some quick videos up for those. I've been kind of chipping away at those in the background and, you know, unceremoniously, but those were some really nice games and they turned out well. I've got another Indiana Jones brewing, and then another one after that, another one after that. I got 7 of them, and I plan on all summer just doing Indiana Jones and sprinkling in other games. I got that Indy 500, those 2 Radicals, that Stargate. So I'm not only going to be doing Indiana Jones, but I can tell you that Indiana Jones is going to be a constant on here for the next few months, because I really look to shrink my backlog. When I was 30 years old, I had 35 or 40 games in the warehouse. That felt pretty good. It's a long road ahead of me. I'm like, okay, cool. I feel secure. I got a lot of work, and I don't mind staying up till midnight working on this stuff. Then when I got to be in my 40s, it's like, yeah, that's a little bit much. Let me get it down a little bit, and I think I got it down to about maybe 25 or 30, and I would work till 10 o'clock. Now I'm in my 50s, I'm 53 years old, and I'm like, yeah, I don't think so. I probably want to get down to about 20 games, and I call it quits about 7 o'clock every night. So just naturally paring down. But I will say too, the older I get, the more meticulous I get. The type of work I was doing in my 30s, I thought was great, and everybody else thought it was good too, but it wasn't as good as the work as I was doing in my 40s, and now that I'm 50, I'm doing even better than ever. I mean, I really am. But I think you just slow down, you look at things with a little bit different eye, and so the quality's higher, but the output is obviously lower. But all that said, we'll see what we get into in the next video, but I do just want to throw kind of like a little highlight reel together for you and just let you know I'm back. and we'll see what we get into in the next one. If you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It goes a long ways to let me know that I'm not wasting my time here, as I've told you before, and I'll see you in the next one.